welcome to my home. Walking into my home is actually a very nice entryway design. We wanted a lot of cabinet space, so we actually create a very nice entryway with curves. So we can take a look over here. They're all cabinets over here with many curved designs suitable for the theme of luxurious modern. And we actually did a drop-down entryway to block out our central cooling system pipings as well. So in my home, we wanted to have a very spacious and big home because we wanted to host a lot of guests and friends over to our house very occasionally. So we actually built in a very big dining table over here. So you can take a look at our dining table. It's very big. Our whole dining space is very spacious. And we actually have a very interesting feature wall at the back of our dining room where we actually have a curved shape to follow through our whole entire home design. Moving to our living room area, we actually had a curved shape sofa to actually accentuate a lot of guests. So we can actually fit around 6 guests in our living room area. And our guests can actually sit down and chit-chat and have a very spacious feeling in our home. Let me bring you guys to the kitchen area. So for my kitchen, I actually created a full glass panel door because we wanted more natural lighting to enter our home. And as you can see, we actually followed through our home design of the white theme. So even our kitchen is white in its entire place with our sintered stone marbles. And we actually have our appliances in black to give good striking contrast as well. Over here, the same thing. We actually chose a larger sink so that we can wash our pots and pans without any spillage outside. And we have a hidden dish rack as well. Let me bring you guys to my bedroom now. So my bedroom is created very specially because it has a very interesting design. Unlike other BTOs, our toilet is actually popping out of the area, which gives us a smaller area. So we wanted to create something to give us a better spacing and a vanity, of course, for myself. So you can take a look over here. We have a huge vanity table with a full-length mirror. So it's a very nice design cabinet to store all my luxurious items as well. So same thing, I wanted a very wide and clean look in my sleeping area, but we decided to have something special. So we actually did a lime wash effect of our headboard. And we continued through with the white walls over here so that we can actually project our shows at night before we wind down. Let me show you guys my toilet because that's my favorite place. So for the master toilet, we actually created a luxurious hotel look in the toilet itself. We wanted a bathtub in our toilet, and my ID, Dora, actually managed to help us squeeze in a bathtub in our toilet without making it look too cramped. So we actually have the hotel feel in our toilet. Now let me bring you guys to my common bathroom. So for my common bathroom, we wanted to create something special with curves as well. So we actually created a curved mirror as well as a simple vanity cabinet and storage. Moving on, let me bring you to Hui Lin's room. So for Hui Lin's room, we actually keep our fixtures minimal because we wanted her to be able to sort items as she grows up. So we actually put items that are movable so we can change them whenever we want to, whenever she wants to grow up, whenever she wants to change her toys, or even to study materials as well. Now for the last part of my living room, it's something special. We create a stage elevated area for Hui Lin. So if you can see, it's also a curved shaped stage panel itself where Hui Lin can play her toys, read her books, and even dance around the stage. So the entire curvature follows through our whole house, and I'm very excited to share with you guys that my house is actually designed by Goodman Interior and my ID is Dora. If you guys are looking for an ID, please look for her and she'll be free to assist for you for all the kind of designs that you're looking for. Bye bye!